guys, I'm Ali, or Alexandra Ariola, and this is my human sexuality PowerPoint, and I did it on the dimensions of human sexuality. So to start off, this is my front opening slide, and basically I put a picture at the bottom, and it has like a little fun fact about sex, gender, and sexuality, and if it's like your sexual attraction, cultural meanings, or the biological traits that you kind of pick up on. Okay, so my first slide is I'm going to be introducing the dimensions. The three main dimensions of human sexuality are biological, psychological, and societal. There are several subdimensions within each dimension. An individual's personal whole sexuality is defined by the interaction of all these dimensions. Subdimensions include like effectiveness and relational, moral, spiritual, and ethical and legal. Legal meaning kind of like political in a way. So basically, I went ahead and I put a picture of each kind of what we kind of have going on in life right now. I have a male gay couple, I have a lesbian couple, and then I have a heterosexual couple. Just like the different dimensions of human sexuality kind of going on right now with everything, which I also thought was very interesting. So the biological dimensions of human sexuality include physical appearance, genetics that you get from your parents, growth and development that you do as you like grow up, reproduction, fertility control, changes in your body, and sexual arousal and your response. And then I put a little chart down here of the evolution of the biological factors of sexuality. Right down there. Okay. And then the psychological dimensions of human sexuality is going to be the next slide. And that includes, in my opinion, like oneself. So it includes like one's confidence, motivation, their image of their body, self-concept of themselves and others, encounters and experiences that they've had, perception and recognition, and then attitudes and behaviors that they have or that they have developed, and as well as emotions. And then this is going to be the slide. And then I have socio-cultural dimensions, and basically like your culture that you grew up in, your social aspects, and your surroundings as you kind of grew up. So that includes the ethnic factor, like what's your ethnicity, moral implications, spiritual factor, so if you have a specific religion, and then economic and social influence, like money or education. So like, did you guys have money growing up? What kind of education did you get? And just kind of how you grew up in that aspect and how it affected you. Media effect, how you post things, how people portray you, and how you try to portray yourself as. And then political factors as well. And then I added a little a little slide at the end about fun facts about sex and human sexuality. It prevents prostate cancer, which I thought was very interesting. It relieves pain elsewhere in the body, so like if you have like some kind of ache, does that. Also prevents heart attacks in men. I did read that in the book as well. And then sexual activity provides a slew of multiple more positive effects. Individuals who have sex feel happy with oneself, and people who have sexual intercourse to feel good about oneself and confidence are on separate ends of sexuality and soul road. So if you do and then you don't, you guys are going to be on different journeys, like with your soul and yourself and everything like that. And then this is going to be the slide. And then that actually wraps up my PowerPoint about the dimensions of human sexuality. I really enjoyed taking this class this semester. I learned a lot about myself and human sexuality, which I really enjoyed. And I want to thank you guys for all being a part of it with me. And yeah, I appreciate it.